Ford Super Duty Pickup by Brad DeBerti. Brad DeBerti's transformation of Ford's Super Duty Pickup into an innovative utility truck at the SEMA exhibition garnered widespread acclaim. The unique rear structure, featuring special hinges, lifts the sidewalls of the pickup to reveal a spacious storage system with shelves and tools. The cargo bed has been enhanced to accommodate 2 spare wheels, a Pro Eagle jack, and a secret compartment with spare details. The addition of a twin turbo kit and air-to-liquid intercooler boosts engine performance to an impressive 850 horsepower, while special bars and leveling air spring systems ensure stability even when fully loaded.